Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. As part of my Super Mario Crochet series, the brand new Toad and Toadette written patterns are now available in my Ravelry store. If you enjoy collecting my patterns or prefer following a written guide, be sure to check them out. I've also uploaded an exclusive Toad crochet tutorial to my members channel. This members-only video includes the complete step-by-step process from crocheting the mushroom cap, head, body, arms, and legs to assembling all the pieces together, making it easy to crochet along at your own pace while supporting the channel. The Super Mario series is still growing, and I have many more characters planned for future tutorials and patterns. If you're a fan of Super Mario or love collecting cute crochet characters, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming releases.